Hello world! Hello to all the visionaries out there. So, if you are new to my YouTube channel, I am Jhem Salcedo and I am teaching those who want to have their own business online. So, before that, I will share in today's video the 8 step or the ladder for success sa business. So, para malaman mo yung mga yon, you can watch this whole video. Huwag mo akong iiwanan if you want to know that. So, see you there. Share to you the 8 ladder of steps to grow your business. So number 1 that na kailangan mo, of course, before we go to number 1, you have to have your product. So I share some of the products that you can do on online or online space. The product that you can make like ebook. So if you want to watch it, you can watch it kung ano yung pwede mong possible na gawing product, digital product na pwede mong may offer sa online. So, you can watch that. Okay, so kailangan muna talaga, you have to have a product. Yan. So, you don't have business if you don't have product. So, maybe it's a product, maybe it's a service, maybe it's a physical, or it's a digital. So, you need to have the product that you can sell to other people. So, para maging successful yon, let's go and let's dive into number 1. Number 1, you need to be hands-on. Kasi, nakita ko, pag nag-venture ka ng business, especially if you don't master it, pero sabi ko nga, if you want to have your business, kailangan talaga yung passion mo, yung mga skills na meron ka na, and expertise, and of course, yung mga dinidesire mo at interested ka. Yan. So, you need to be hands-on. Why? Because if hindi ka magiging hands-on sa business mo at pinamanage mo lang siya, kasi pag naging hands-on ka, ang pinakamaganda doon, you will master the system. And after you master every details, every system, no, kahit maliliit lang yon, you can pass it. Ma-scale up mo na siya when you know all the system. Kasi hindi pwedeng hindi mo alam lahat. From production, from how to deliver it, how to send it to customer, kung paano mo siya ma-market. Dapat maging hands-on ka doon so that you can master all the system. So, number 1, you need to be hands-on to your business. And then number 2 that I can give you is you need to show your passion. Enthusiastic ka dapat. Dapat ikaw mismo, you are so excited about your business. You are so excited about what you are doing, di ba? Kumbaga, pinapakita mo yung enthusiastic mo dun sa business mo. You are excited every day. You are feeding your mind kung paano mo iaano yung business mo, di ba? Yung innovate mo yung business mo, kung paano mo siya maka-come up dun sa isang idea na makakatulong sa iba. Yan. So you are so enthusiastic about it. Then, baga, ako nakita ko, if your business is your passion, grabe, hindi ka mababurn out kasi you want and you like and you love what you do. So, you need to show your passion to your business. Okay? So, number 3 that I can share to you is to focus on the customer. Yan. So, marami na mga nagbi-business, ito, nakakaligtaan nila. They need to focus to the customer. So, how can we focus to the customer? We need to listen to them. So, kung mapapansin ninyo dun sa mga successful business like restaurant or fast food, no, they have the comment section. Why? Because they want to listen to their customer. So, minsan kasi, kino-custom natin yung mga gusto lang natin, yung mga wants natin, but we don't listen well to our customer. So, right now, no, one of the example that I can give you is you can message your ideal customer so that you can have his or her feedback dun sa isang product o dun sa mga business o dun sa mga isi-serve mo doon sa customer na yun. And listen to the feedback. Look at this. If it is negative, it's alright. Why? You can turn that negative feedback into good things to your business. Ang gagawin mo, kukunin mo yung negative feedback na yon and then improve your business. So, do not be frustrated o madi-discourage dun sa mga negative, kundi masaya ka. Why? Because nakikita mo yung hindi mo nakikita. Yan. So, kailangan talaga, we need to keep listening to our customers so that may success. Yan. So, yun yung isa sa mga sikreto na minsan nakakaligtaan ng maraming mga business person. Yan. So, number 4 that I can give you is become more competitive advantage. Yan. So, kailangan competitive ka. So, how is that? You need to be more advantage. You need to be more searchable. Kailangan maging advantage ka. Ano yung pagkakaroon ng advantage ngayon or maging competitive ka ngayon sa business? Number 1, if you have a website. If you do your business online. Yan. So, ngayon ang pinaka-the best na gawin ng mga business person o mga may business ay magkaroon sila ng kanilang mga ima-market din nila online. Why? Because all over the world, you can target the same niche that you can have through online. So, ano pa? Maging searchable ka kung ano yung pwede mong, yun nga, sinabi ko kanina, innovate pa so that you will be more competitive to your market. Yan. So, that's number 4. Okay, so number 5 that I can share to you is mind the money. Yan. So, we need to focus on the sales, revenue, and cash flow. So, minsan, nakakaligtaan natin, ito talaga yung gasolina. Actually, kaya nga, meron kang business, you want to have sales, you want to have cash flow, you want to have revenue. So, ako ngayon, nag-goal ako na at least this quarter, I will have this kind of sales. And then, kailangan talaga, minomonitor ko yung mga papasok na yon. So, you need to focus on the sales. One big focus is to have sales. How can you have sales? So, you need to be visible, you need to be attractive, dapat nagdi-deliver ka ng value talaga. At eto pa, kailangan, ang nangyayari sa'yo is, they will gonna repeat. Yan. Minsan kasi yung iba, basta makabenta lang sila, okay na sila. Hindi nila alam, mas malaki yung revenue kapag yung bumili sa'yo, bumalik. Why? Merong possibility na kapag yung bumili sa'yo, na-satisfy siya, kasi nga, nakafocus ka sa sales, nakafocus ka dun sa customer, dun sa mga gusto nila, may possibility na magsama sila ng mga friends at recommendation. So, hindi mo na yun kayang i-reach, no? Pero yung mga naging customer mo, because you are focusing on the sales, you are focusing on the customer, so there's a possibility na mag-aya sila. Yan, so you need to be focused and mind of the money in your business. Actually, kaya nga nagbi-business because you want to have a revenue. You want to have a money. So we need to mind of the money. So that is number 5. Okay, number 6 that I can share to you, be the best. So, strive for the excellent and you need to want to learn more. So, don't stop kung ano na yung meron ngayon sa'yo. Kung kunyari, ako ngayon nagtayo kami ng, nag-start pa lang kami, startup yung aking milk tea na sideline ko muna because I want to focus on my online business and may tinitrain ako doon, but I want to be excellent. So, nag-iisip na ako na ngayon ng concept, nag-iisip ako ngayon ng mga magagandang possible na pwedeng gawin na maging unique yung mga ginagawa namin mga products. And also in my online business, I want to be unique on my online business. So, I want to be me. Diba? And I want to learn more about my customer. So, you need to be excellent and want to learn more. So, para maging excellent, hindi mo isasara yung kaisipan mo dun sa mga pwede mo pa at possibilities mo pang ma-learn about your business. So, in today's world, sa panahon natin ngayon, no, napaka-accessible na mga learnings ngayon because we have online. Yan. So, that is one of them that I can share you so that you will be succeed. Yan. So, be the best. And then number 7, you should love your product and service. Yan. You should love it. Dapat ikaw mismo, love na love mo yung mga pinoproduce mong product and service, no? And you are confident in it. Yan. Disclaimer lang. Magiging confident ka if you will give the best. Diba? Minsan kasi, nagbe-business tayo, minsan gusto lang natin kumita. Hindi tayo nagiging proud sa sarili natin because we know na hindi the best yung mga service and product na meron tayo. So, we need to love it, but we need to give the value to our product and to the service to those people na bebentahan natin. Okay, so that is number 7. And then, number 8, so that you can have a successful business, no room for discouragement. Why? Because, you know, kailangan merong purpose yung business mo. If you have your purpose in your business, no discouragement, of course, a lot of failures, marami mga mangyayari sa business talaga. At sinisigurado ko ta sa'yo, maraming discouragement pero hindi ka madi-discourage. Why? You know the purpose of your business. Helping many people and entertaining people, giving value to people, and you want to see the smile on the people, you want to serve the people. Yan. Yun. So, no room for discouragement. So, you have to clarify the purpose of your business. And remember this, any skill can be learned. But if you love it, if you have a purpose in it, it will be successful. So, I assure you, if you have a clear purpose on your business, you have a successful business. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope natulungan kita and na-clarify ng konti at malaki yung pagiging successful ng isang tao sa kanyang business. So, if you want to learn more about having your own business online, so I'm here, I can teach you. No, I have a program. It is called Purpose Accelerator Program that I can teach you on how you can build, on how you can scale it, on how you can sell it, and how you can make it so that you can have your income, passive income, and quality time to your family. And I have also ebook. So, yung ebook natin is the Purposeful Business. Yeah, so I have a lot of purpose because I know my purpose. So, Purposeful Business, I have an ebook that can encourage you. It's only 150. So, if you want to avail my ebook, and if you want to build your own online business, you can message me and comment me in this section so that I can PM you on how you can be attached to one another so that I can help you. Okay, so if you like it, please subscribe, share it to other people so that I can help more. Thank you for your support and I hope you share it to other people. Thank you. God bless.